slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Michael with RV Stuff back here once again. And as you can see, we got these Amiri Cobra jeans, or Amiri snake jeans, however you want to call them, in black with the reptile scales as patches from EveryDesigner.ru. If you guys are new to the channel and this is your first video of mine that you're watching, I was about to say witnessing, watching, let me know what you guys think. If you like what you see, maybe think about hitting that subscribe button. If you're a current or new viewer of mine, make sure you hit that like button, show some love that way. But yeah, so I think I covered pretty much everything. Also remember, turn on notifications for the channel, as well as follow my Instagram. Link will be in the description. If you have any questions whatsoever, unless there's something already answered in the video, feel free to ask me and you'll get an answer pretty quickly. So yeah guys, with all that being said, let's just get right into it. If you were wondering, shipping with EveryDesigner is about a week after you receive your tracking. And yeah, so let's get to it. This is all the information. Website is EveryDesigner.ru. There's the WhatsApp. Actually, sorry about that. I have to correct this paper fully. So the website is actually EveryDesigner.vip. The WhatsApp is +162 655 94652. And Instagram is not even that. They changed their Instagram again, or it got shut down, I forgot. The new Instagram is at EveryDesigner Studio, I believe. So, and if you spent $200 or more, you can use my code RV Stuff, save yourself $20 sorry, off that order. Or if you spend $90 or more, you can use RV Stuff 10 and save yourself $10 off on that order. Also keep in mind, when you're choosing your size with any product on their site, there is an option to put how you found out about them, and you can put my channel. I don't know if it gives me any sort of discounts or whatever towards my next purchase, but they just did that there because I make reviews. So yeah man, that is that. These just came in a regular plastic bag, nothing special. So yeah, let's get into it. Kind of hard to focus. I know you guys will see the contrast is going to be really bad because more or less happens on like anything that's black kind of tends to struggle. So there you go, you got the leather Amiri tag. Nothing on the back of that, it's just some nice black leather. Then this thing that says every garment has undergone like special treatment, pretty much saying that like no pair of pants is going to be the same, more or less. And then you do have this Amiri tag as well, which says MikeAmiri.com on it. So yeah, that's that. See, if you're wondering why I put my hand in the frame sometimes when I'm reviewing something that's black, it's just because it helps to get kind of in contrast while my hand's in the frame at least. So yeah, all that aside, let's just get right into it. You do have the Amiri button right there. So there's that. You can see my fan spinning. You got the Amiri thing right there that says a size, says Amiri in silver, and then size 36. I don't know why I said 36. You do also have these tags on the inside. You will find loose threads here and there, but it's no big deal. So it says the size right there, 36, and then an Amiri tag that pretty much says the material and whatever you're going to need to do to wash them. On the inside, it's pretty cool. You can see the reptile scales patch right there. So yeah, you can see how it's patched on the inside. On the back, you got this as well. It says Amiri. You can see the stitching could be a bit straighter, but it's really no big deal. Beyond that, basically a regular pair of distressed jeans with some patches, honestly. Super stretchy, definitely go true to size on these. I usually wear I was about to say 36. I usually wear 36. I could wear 38 and just get it tapered at the leg, but I'm about like 36 waist. So, and these fit perfect. Like they stretch, awesome. They're tapered down the leg. If you guys want to see how Amiris fit in general, like all the pairs more or less, you can go ahead on my Instagram. I have a bunch of pictures of me wearing Amiris, and you can see how they fit on me. So yeah, definitely go true to size when you're ordering this. Beyond that, you can see some distressing here. There's just a lot of distressing. Where it is distressed, on some parts it is patched up by these little reptile scales, which are pretty cool because they flip up like that, like they're actually scales. It's pretty dope. So you can see there, like each scale is individual. You scale flips up. Super sick on these, man. I know you guys have wanted to see a review of these for a while, and I'm sure you guys are gonna be excited when I drop this video. So let me know what you think about these jeans. I know there's a lot of interest in them for sure. So you got some more reptile scales. Same deal going down this leg. So the first 3 rips are patched up with the reptile scales. Then you got some knee rips here that are just regular rips, and those go down the leg as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that leg. On this side, you do have the cobras. So you got 3 cobras total, 1 on the back, 1 that goes more to back at least, and then this one right here, and then this one. And you can see the embroidery is on point. It doesn't look corny at all. It's actually really nice. Again, distressing here, reptile scales under there. Same deal with here. You can see the big scales and then smaller ones here. Again, a 3rd one. And then you got 1 knee rip on this one and no more distressing on the bottom. So pretty simple stuff with that. Flip the jeans over and let you guys take a look at the back. You got the regular Amiri pockets with the line through them. So nothing crazy with that. I did already wear these jeans twice. I think twice. So if they look stretched out, they're just conforming to my body. Yeah, it's gonna get any hairs I see. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. Some distressing on the back, nothing crazy. You see the 3rd snake here on the back as well, or 3rd cobra. And yeah, no other distressing really to talk about. So pretty simple jeans. Let me know what you guys think about these. I'm a really big fan of these. Hopefully gonna get the light wash pair with the green cobras. Let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Told y'all already, so you know what's up. With all that being said, more heat on the way. Hopefully you guys have an awesome day. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit my IG. Link is in the description as always. But yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys have an awesome day, and I'll check you guys in my next video. Peace.